Hello friends. You that are very good at drinking beer with your friends and watching football on the TV while your wife is off on holidays with your kids, instead of cleaning the tub every time you use it and you find this thing on it, you can't clean it rubbing it with brushes, with sponges or anything. It's very difficult to get this off. So if you don't do this every time you wash yourself in the tub or in the hand basin, it will accumulate and get very ugly. This video is for you. So when your wife gets back from holidays, she gets into the bathroom and says, "Oh, how wonderful! It looks brilliant! How did you do it?" And you'll say, "My secret." In this video, we're going to test a series of liquids, materials that can help us. Hydrochloric acid, methylated spirits, turpentine, white gas, a degreaser, and a clothes detergent. We should never use one of these because this scrapes the enamel, it scratches it and weakens it. And we might end up with a dot of rust there and a hole right through the tub. So what we're going to do here is place a bit of each liquid in a strip along the tub to see how fast it dissolves and reduces the muck we have there. Let's start then with the hydrochloric or muriatic acid. Now with the methylated spirits, let's see how this goes. Turpentine. White gas. The degreaser. And the clothes detergent. And finally, soap. We leave them there for a while and wait for them to act, and then we'll come. Apparently, where we get the best result is just using soap. With detergent, clothes detergent, it also worked quite well, but it was a bit harder here. Here it covered more surface, while the others can't loosen the muck. Now if I use this thing that scrapes the surface without scratching it, we'll see what happens. So, with these results we can see that hydrochloric acid using this scraping material gives an excellent result. Just the same as if we use just soap. Simple soap and a scraping material. Perfect. All the others were very difficult, very hard to clean well. Maybe the white gas would work also, but we can see it's not as good as the hydrochloric acid or the soap. Salt can also be a good tool but on the long run it can also scratch the enamel. Well friends, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.